Let's read Super Submarines. Before we get started, we will circle the title or name of the book in green. The title or name of this book is Super Submarines. We will circle the name of the author or authors in red. This book has two authors, and they are the people who wrote the story for us. Their names are Tony Mitten and Aunt Parker. All right, let's read Super Submarines. A submarine's a kind of boat that dives beneath the sea. Below the waves is such a strange and wondrous place to be. To travel down, it takes in water till its tanks are full. The weight of water gives the submarine a downward pull. When it's underwater, the propeller makes it go. The hydroplanes can tilt to steer it up or down like so. The rudder also steers the sub and turns it left or right. Computers help to navigate. Down deep, there's not much light. The periscope can poke above the waves to peer around, but further down, the submarine depends on sonar sound. The sonar sends a signal out, a special kind of bleep, which bounces back to help them guess what's out there in the deep. A submarine needs crew to keep it running night and day. The crew need living quarters where they eat and rest and play. Submersibles are different subs that probe the deepest ocean. Down that far, it's still and dark. There's hardly any motion. But even there, submersibles discover deep sea creatures which glow or carry lanterns and have very funny features. Submersibles are used to rescue divers or explore. They sometimes salvage sunken wrecks upon the ocean floor. They're used to service oil rigs, lay cables, and fix pipes. Their robot subs have cameras and arms of many types. But look, our sub is rising. Its work below is done. Very soon the busy crew will see the sky and sun. Its ballast tanks have emptied. They've pushed the water out. The submarine is back in dock. Hooray, the sailors shout. The end. These are parts of a submarine. Hydroplane tilts to steer the sub up or down. The propeller pushes the sub through the water. This is the periscope, used to see what is above the surface and the water. This is the rudder. This swivels to steer the sub from side to side. This is a submersible. It's a different kind of submarine that carries and controls a robot sub. This is the robot sub, and it's a mini sub that reaches deep down in the ocean. Submarines. The end.